While tightening the economic ship of the country, the finance minister had little room for tax cuts. However, Arun Jaitley did manage to reward the middle class by raising the tax exemption limit and savings rate with an eye towards increasing the spending of the group. Here's a look at what Jaitley's economic roadmap holds in store for you.
Opening his briefcase for Modi government's first budget, Arun Jaitley giving the middle class a breather.
Relief to small and marginal taxpayers and senior citizens, I propose to increase the personal income tax exemption limit.
The finance minister has raised the exemption limit on the income tax rate by 50,000 rupees. Even increased the savings limit to 1.5 lakh. And helping the home buyers by hiking rebate on interest rate to 2 lakh rupees.
My policy was the small and the mid-level taxpayer must save more and partly maybe even spend more. The savings get back into the system.
And keeping his word, the finance minister even giving options where to spend this extra money. By tweaking indirect taxes to make LCD TVs, computers, diamond jewelry and other consumer items cheaper. But even as the budget gave some relief, the middle class wants inflation checked to control its household budget, and the finance minister is determined to curb the prices.
We've so far tried to contain the damage which is seasonal. Onion starts from 15 rupees and goes up to 70, 80 and 100 rupees.
So with the blueprint rolled out and a direction given, the real task, implement his roadmap.
So these are all issues which I have a lot of time. This is the beginning of the government. This is not the end years of the government.
Bureau Report, Times Now.